Hello guys, welcome to another episode. And today is the day we finally replacing the headers downpipe. And if you haven't checked my video, I did the unboxing in the last video. Check it out. So we already put the car in the jack stand, we blocked the rear tires, and we already jack off the car. So as you can see in the last segment, I started the car. You know, it's got that little hole on the flex pipe, so we are ready to change. And we need an Allen wrench to remove these bolts. I'm just gonna wait until it gets cold, still hot. We need the tool to remove the oxygen sensor and a couple sockets. Okay guys, I already loosened up these bolts. This is our 6mm Allen. So that's the convenience of having already the aftermarket exhaust, because it's not painful like when I removed the first one. But basically, to remove the stock one, if you wanna do the change to aftermarket headers, you just have to put PP plaster and let it soak in for like 30 minutes or so. So that's gonna help you out a lot. So don't forget PP plaster, 6mm, and we have here the tool to remove the oxygen sensor. You just place it. It's kinda hot still. You just place it right there. Okay guys, I already disconnect the oxygen sensor, and the only thing you need to do, put your socket inside, and then you just loosen it up. I already loosened it up, guys, so that's the only thing you need to do. And it was pretty easy because I put lots and lots of anti-seize on this oxygen sensor, and before I remove my bolts, I remove this, so it's a lot easier. You can see that's the oxygen sensor right there. Okay, so like I said on my last video, the other one, when I removed it from the stock headers, it was damaged because it was a stock one. They never removed it, so I didn't have any other way. Had to damage the sensor in order for me to remove it. Tried to use it, so I didn't use it. Had to get another one. But that's the oxygen sensor right there, and this tool is very convenient. And when you apply a lot of anti-seize, you know, it's really easy to remove. So now, headers cool down. I'm gonna remove these bolts, and like I told you, I'm gonna paint them green to match the valve cover, and then just remove the whole headers. And on the bottom, I just gotta remove 3 bolts to remove it from the catalytic converter. This type of setup, this type of headers, it's got 2 bolts on each side, 5mm Allen wrench in here on this side, on top for this bolt, and on the bottom I use a long socket with extension 10mm, and then that's how I remove those 2 bolts. They hold in the headers with the downpipe. Now we just have to remove these 2 bolts that I have left and remove the headers. On this side, on the back side, we have a 14mm, and on the front we have a 16mm. So we just gotta loosen them up, those 3 bolts, and get the headers out. After we remove all the bolts, the only thing we need to do is this hanger. We gotta just push it out, pull it out, and then remove it from there. That's gonna be the only thing holding the downpipe, and like that we just can remove everything. Okay, downpipe is out, and you can see there got a nasty hole, and that's what happens when you buy cheap stuff, guys. You have to redo it all over again. So downpipe is out. Tip for you guys: if you're removing the downpipe, make sure that you hold the you put something under the exhaust, the catalytic converter, because it's nothing holding it. So before it drops and damage your other oxygen sensor, the one that is on the catalytic converter, put something underneath. And headers are out. Okay, so like I said on my last video, guys, I'm gonna save this. I just gotta buy a new flex pipe, cut it right here, put a new one, or maybe just cut it and put another tube. I don't know yet. Best thing to do it the right way, so I might just end up buying another flex pipe. Now you have the two right here, and I'm gonna put lots of anti-seize. I'm gonna remove this bolt, put the new oxygen sensor, and then just put everything together. I got new gaskets and everything. If you can see right here, that's the old, the new, and I think the black one's gonna look a lot better. Anti-seize. You just try to remove this bolt. Just put a lot of anti-seize just in the threads. So next time that you have to remove it for some reason, it doesn't cause you a lot of trouble. Okay guys, how this system works, I have 3 bolts right over there to put them with the catalytic converter on this side. Make sure the gasket is in between, and this one goes right here, and then the system has another 3 nuts, but these ones are just screw in. Okay, so these ones are gonna go in here, just putting the gasket in between. Then these ones go right here like that, and then we put the lug nut on the bottom. So that's how the system works, and we getting ready to install everything. I just need to wait for the bolts to dry, and then we'll put everything back together. Okay guys, headers are in, black. I like them. They look really good. Bolts already get dry, and I just gotta connect oxygen sensor, tighten them up, those 3 bolts on the bottom, and finish to tighten them up these bolts. If you can see, bolts are in, so they screw on top, and then you just gotta tighten them up on the bottom with a 14mm. Make sure that this bolt on top, because this one doesn't use oxygen sensor, make sure that one you tighten them up really good. Those 3 bolts are tight, gasket is in. I will remove the support that I put to hold the exhaust system while I tighten them up. Right here is where the mount goes in. You just gotta push it all the way in. What I did, I just push it in, hold it with my fingers on the other side, and I push it and go in right away. No problems on that hanger. Okay guys, everything is in. everything is tightened up, oxygen sensor connected, everything, all the bolts, bottom two. Let's start the car. Whew, that's quiet. Yeah. Yeah. There you have it, guys. Header is gonna start smoking a little bit, but that's normal. Ooh, they started smoking a little bit. So there you have it, guys. New headers, downpipe, really quiet, and there you have it, guys. New exhaust system. If you check out my other video where I install the back part of the after the catalytic converter, I put all the back, keep it stacked. Now new headers. This is aftermarket. It's gonna be a little bit louder than stock because I got the cooler intake and I had new headers with the downpipe. And maybe it sounds a little bit loud, but not like before. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.